Hello guys, today I'll be sharing with you the YouTube upload settings mistake that you have been making. So if you have been posting on YouTube and you just get this cricket sound, no one is watching, just 2 to 10 people are watching, and your video is good, you know that you worked so well on that video, then you might be making one of the mistakes that I want to share with you today. So be patient and watch this video to the very end, because when you put these things that I'm about to share with you today into action, you are going to see great changes. I'll be sharing 8 mistakes that you might be making. So which or whatever one that you are making, make sure that you work on it and see your YouTube story change. So before I go into that, if you are seeing my face for the very first time, this is Comfort, and I am a go-to friend for all your YouTube tips. Yes, I give YouTube tips how to grow on YouTube. So if you want to grow on YouTube, you want to see videos that will help you in your journey, do well and subscribe to this channel. Do not just subscribe alone, click on the bell button so that you are going to know whenever I post new video on this channel. So the first mistake that you should work on, that you might be making, is uploading your videos using the YouTube app. So if you are doing that, you are doing a very great mistake. And the reason why it is a mistake for you to upload your videos through the YouTube app is because you won't be able to optimize your videos in the YouTube app. Yes, what do I mean by optimization? When you post using that YouTube app, you want to be able to add end screen, you want to be able to add cards, which are very, very important for you. They are very, very important features for you to use on YouTube if you want to get more views and if you want YouTube to recommend your videos. So instead of using the YouTube app to upload your videos, use the YouTube dashboard. I mean, just go to your Chrome and type YouTube dashboard. It is going to take you to your YouTube dashboard. Then you click on the plus sign or the upload sign there. You upload through that, then you'll be able to put everything. I mean, optimization is very, very important. You'll be able to put you know the title, description, thumbnails, and most especially your end screens and card. I've told you the importance of end screens and cards on this channel. If you are yet to see that video, please go and watch that video. So make sure that you upload using the YouTube dashboard so that you'll be able to optimize your video, and YouTube will be able to recommend it very well. And the second mistake that you might be using and you are not getting views is you are choosing unlisted when you are posting your videos. See, you are not giving the YouTube algorithm, to pick all the essential keywords and all of this. If you choose unlisted while uploading your videos, you are not giving any chance for the algorithm, the metadata to work on your video. You are not giving it the opportunity at all. So instead of choosing unlisted, make sure that you choose schedule. Yes, schedule. That is what I use most of the time. And the benefit of scheduling your video is that it is going to give room for the YouTube algorithm to work on your YouTube. Everything, all the keywords in your description, all the keywords in your title, YouTube is going to, work on it. When you schedule it, you should schedule for at least 2 hours and 4 hours before it go public. So YouTube will be able to work on everything, every data on your video, and they'll be able to push it out, the time it goes public. And the third mistake that you might be making is that your video upload immediately you post. Do not do that. It upload immediately. This is related to the second point. Don't upload immediately and go public immediately. No, that is why you should put it on private. It is going to be on private before it goes public, and that is scheduling. You put a time, you put a date that you want it to go public, you choose the time also. So if you upload immediately and it's dropped immediately on YouTube, it will not, YouTube will not be able to work on your video like I have said earlier. Yes, all the keywords in your videos and everything, YouTube will not be able to work on it, so that it is going to give you the best audience that is related to what you are doing. So give it time. Maybe schedule it for 2 to 4 hours before it drop. Yes, before it drop, make sure that you don't, let your video go public immediately you post. And the fourth mistake that you might be doing on your channel that is making you not to have views is that you are naming your video file inappropriately. Yes, when you finish editing your videos and all of these things, what you should do is you should rename. Yes, rename your video. See, that is why YouTube is called, search search engine stuff. Yes, everything that pertains to your video, YouTube is going to pick everything up to the file name. So when you upload, when you make a video, it is, depending on the kind of gadget you use in uploading your video, it might just be numbers, it might be irregular letters. Yes, irregular letters, numbers on your video. No, make sure that the keyword on your title is on that video. That is why you should go and rename. If you don't know how to rename, just go to your, file manager. Yes, go to your file manager and go and rename from there. So every nitty-gritty of your video, that is what YouTube is going to work on. That is why the title of your video, I mean, your file name is very, very important. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise, that it doesn't make any sense, it doesn't, change anything about your video. It changes a lot, because YouTube works, the YouTube metadata works on everything that pertains to your video, even to the file name. And the next mistake that you are doing is that not naming your thumbnail. Yes. Also, when you name your file, I mean the video file, make sure that you also name your thumbnail. YouTube work on everything. So if you are the one that you are watching me, you are uploading videos and it is not doing well, it is not doing the way you think that it should do, make sure that as from today you name your file, I mean the video file, and also your thumbnail. It doesn't mean that you should name it using the title of the video. You can just put the thumbnail, the keyword that when people search it on YouTube, when it brings other people's video, it is going to bring yours too. Yes, it is going to bring yours too. So just put the essential, keyword, the keyword in your video title. Just put it, name it for that, using that thumbnail. Like put it on that thumbnail and you are good to go, and you are going to see a great change. So even naming a thumbnail, make sure that you also work on your thumbnail. A good thumbnail is going to bring people, I mean it is going to attract viewers, and it is going to give you a good retention rate. So if you are still working on your thumbnail, you don't know how to make a thumbnail, I make a very, very simple thumbnail, a very, very simple tutorial on how to make a thumbnail. Please go through this channel and watch how to make it. And the next mistake that you might be doing on YouTube is choosing for kids. When you are uploading your video, you are choosing made for kids. No, unless you are making maybe cartoons, animation that is made for kids. But you are uploading a video and you are put and you are choosing it is made for kids. It is going to restrict your videos to people age 18 and below, instead of it going far to people up to 65 years of age, to very old people. it is going to restrict it. So do not make that mistake. Even a video that is put on made for kids, they don't even allow comment, because YouTube don't want, kids to be exposed to, some kind of comment that is not okay for the consumption of kids. So do not choose this video is made for kids. Always choose this video is not made for kids, so that your video can reach a wide range of people. And the seventh mistake that you might be that you might be making is not, utilizing the pinned comment on your comment section. Yes, when you upload a video, make sure that you comment, and this comment should be something that it calls for reaction, it calls for action from your viewers. For example, when you make a video, you can just put what do you think about this video. You can put it under the comment section and pin it. There are some people, they don't want to be the first person to comment. When you're already large, people want to be the first to comment, but since we are still small, some people might not want to comment first, so you have to trigger them, to interact with you. That is why you need to use the pinned uh comment section. Put what do you think about this video, or where are you watching from, or have you seen this video, what do you think about this video, and all of these things. Then pin it. Everybody is going to see it, and it is going to trigger people to either comment, to react, or even leading people to another of your video. And the last but not the least is this: the mistake that you are making that is not allowing you to have views on YouTube is not having a playlist. This is very, very important. When you have a playlist, YouTube is going to recommend video that that look alike, that is on that playlist. Even on the comment section, you can put a link of your playlist there. People will watch it, and as people finish watching a video, YouTube is going to recommend another video in that playlist. That is how you get your videos recommended. If you are yet to create a playlist, please go and create a playlist. By doing that, YouTube is going to recommend your videos the more. I hope that you have seen one or two mistakes that you are making on YouTube. So if there is one or two of these mistakes that I've mentioned that you know that you are guilty of, please drop it down under the comment section. And don't drop it alone. Make sure you work on it and come back to give me the testimony. So thank you very much for watching my video. I want to see you next time. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and mostly subscribe. Thank you.